So what's up guys, I'm back here with another new video. In this video we are going to unbox Eken H9r 4K action camera. So I bought this camera from banggood.com website. You can also buy this camera. I have given the link in description. You can check it out now and buy this camera. So let's unbox the box. So first of all, you will see this is a plastic case, glass plastic. So I will keep it side, and there is our main unit, 4K camera. Here you can see it is mounted on a stand, special stand. So you have to rotate this like this, and here unmount your camera. So this is the 4K action camera. You can see, once again I have to turn off the flashlight. Yes, here you can see. Sorry guys, because my lighting setup is not good, but it's not bad, very bad. So I will keep it inside, check it later, and then now check the box. What is in the box? It is empty. You can see here are specs of the camera. You can see it can take photo shots of 12 megapixel, can make video 4K at 25 frame per second fps, 2.7K at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 and 30 fps, and 720p at 120 fps. It's waterproof up to 30 meter. Yes, it can go to 30 meter deep in water. It's waterproof and also has Wi-Fi function. Can connect it to your mobile phone. Here is the app link. Here you can see, just scan this QR code or search on the Play Store easy Eken. So you will find out its app, and you can see live video of the camera, and you can also go live on Facebook and YouTube with this camera app. And then it has battery of 1050 mAh, 1050 mAh, 2 inches LCD, and HDMI port. 170 degrees video can be recorded. And here in the box, waterproof housing, frame, mount. Here you can see. Okay, so check the box. Here first of all you will find out this little diary. It is actually user manual. You should read it for better experience. And then there are two boxes in this big box. So in first box we have see, there we have a charging cable. It's of high quality charging cable. And then there is a remote control. Here you can see that pull before remove, before use. You will have to remove this paper before use. Here is the camera photo shoot button and video shoot button. You can see. And let's see what's remaining in the box. I think it is a rubber band. It is actually used to pass through it and to other, and from one end to another, and then just adjust it on your hands like this, and your remote will be on this band. Okay, so these are some wires. I don't know for what purpose these are used. So let's keep it inside and now see the second box here. Oh wow, there are a lot of accessories of this camera. So it's the main display case, and it's the bicycle stand. You can set your camera on bicycle. Here here is all the guidance of how to put your camera on bicycle or on your helmet. You can see here, here bicycle or another. Okay, and this is something like this. Here all the accessories. So and this one is for tripod. One second, check it. So keep our camera out. This is waterproof case, and I also have tested this can work. This is works actually very good. Here, this is the power button and mode button. Okay, so let me turn it on. Press it for 3 to 4 seconds and your camera will be turned on. So I have turned it on. Now let's see. There is a lens, power button, LED indicator, and this is setting button and Wi-Fi button. This is one is for, here you can see upper button is for video and photos, and the second one is for Wi-Fi connection for your mobile app. Okay, and then here is this one is charging port, and this is HDMI port, and this is SD card. I have inserted it in. So it's showing error here. You can see that card error something. So I need to put this out. Oh, oops, it turns off. Let's turn it on. This one. So here first of all I will press this button. Oh sorry, this. You can see 4 megapixel wide. 4 megapixel wide. Time lapse, and this is when this icon comes, then press this button to open. Okay, here are all the settings. You can see looping video, brush photo, time lapse, continuous lapse, and everything you need. So for the photo resolution, you can set the resolution here for your photo and looping video, and here is the video resolution. So it can record up to 4K. Here you can see 4K, 1080p, 60 fps, 30, 25, 30, and here you can select your video resolution settings. So here if you want to mount it on your tripod, so you will just need to insert it in this case. Here you can see, and then just mount it like this. Here is also another stand, and just put it on tripod. So thanks for watching. I hope that you would like my video. So for the videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Mr. Azim, and share my video to everyone on social media or everywhere. So thanks for watching. Please leave a thumb and just comment for your questions. Thanks for watching.